Okay, my drone fell down. Okay. So I was shooting this AKASO Brave 8 video, and I flew the drone up with the camera at the bottom. Gimbal motor overload. Wow. And the whole drone came down when I made a turn, so most likely the turn was too fast because I was in CMOS mode, and I should have just flown it in straight line. Thank goodness it didn't go into the water. It's at the grass at the side here, so we shall go and hunt for it. So where is my drone? Can I get my drone back? Drone. Find my drone. Start flashing and beeping. Somewhere here. Where am I? Yep, you can hear the beeping. Somewhere here. Hopefully I can find it. Oh man, and I hope it's not in the water. Where is it? Where is it? I'm pointing the wrong way. Okay, it's somewhere here. Yeah, I can hear it. Haha, there's the drone. My god, the blade is still and that's the AKASO. It flew off, it broke off I think, and wow, I actually smashed the lens of the AKASO. There goes my review, right? But hopefully it recorded the whole thing. It did. So that was a very short review of my AKASO. There goes my drone. Hopefully it survived because it landed on the grass. Hi everyone, Richard here. So I just flew the AKASO Brave 8 on my Mini 2, and it was fine while I was flying straight, but then I made a quick turn because I was on sports mode to take the weight, and it fell down and it crashed and it broke the lens, and I think the internal lens is also probably damaged. I can see that it's dented and it's gone in, so I'm not sure how I'm going to finish the review, but I'll try my best without the lens cap, and we'll see how the lens will hold up because it seems dented inside as well. So you can see the hopefully you can get the light. You can see it's all broken, right? So even with the additional lens cap cover with the lens, it went through and it broke into the inside lens. So what I landed on these rocks here. Thankfully it's not straight into the water. If not, my Mini 2 won't survive. This may survive, but the Mini 2 won't survive. And it's landed on the rocks. I think it hit right smack on the rocks. That's why it's gone. So if not, this would be the shortest review I have if the unit cannot video anymore. So do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe. I'm gonna do my ending here now. I'll show you the rest of the video if I manage to get it. Okay. Okay, that's how the cap looks like. Right, it's broken. I'm going to try to take it out. Thankfully there's a cover here, but it seems the inside is broken. See, this right through now. It's got the shards of glass, and I'm not sure how smashed up this is. Seems, hopefully it's okay. It seems dented there, and if it's okay, then I can still do the review without the lens cap, hopefully. But I'm gonna put it on the RC car, so I'm a bit worried about that. Okay, seems to be alive. I'm shooting everything in 4K 60. There are many modes. There will be a separate video maybe I will do on that, and there are many functions. So I'm shooting at 4K 60, but I'm going to be using the setup that they have here. They have this 4K 60 but super smooth. So what happens is, super smooth, you need to use the mobile app from AKASO to export it with the gyro. So to get super smooth, you actually need to enable your gyro, which is here. Gyroscope needs to be enabled. If not, you won't be able to use the super smooth. So it's based on the gyroscope and the app to use it to get that smooth export. So let's do some walk around, and then we'll test out the audio from the AKASO Brave 8, and we'll switch over. You have to press the mode here, and it switched to the front. Now, okay, there, you can see that's the camera, the screen, and that's my camera lens, which I broke from the drone crashing down. So that's how it looks like, and this is how I look like if I'm gonna walk around with this, and you can see how smooth it is. So how's the dynamic range on this, and how's the audio? So I'm getting two audio source, one from here, one from here. I'm going to switch over to the AKASO Brave 8. So let's do a test run and see how it looks like, how smooth it is. Let's see how smooth it is. So just holding on the stick, so the vibration would be quite a lot, and it'll probably shake a lot. Look at that. How's the dynamic range? To switch to the front camera, you need to press and hold the mode button, which is on the side, and then you can see the screen is in front, and then you can see how it looks like. So I put it on the AI face exposure, so it should detect my face and then expose accordingly. Yep, you can see a square box on the face actually when it sees a face. So that's, I'm not sure if you can see it now. There's actually a square box on my face, and it seems to be tracking my face. And with the gyro on, and if I use the super smooth to export, it most likely will have better stabilization. So it's actually exposing my face pretty well. Let's see how it does when the light is behind, and will it expose my, oh, it lost the box, so it's too dark, and my face was too dark, and the box went off. It didn't expose. So now it's exposing again, and then it's too dark, it couldn't compensate, so my face was black. So now it's back again, it's tracking my face and exposing to my face instead of the background. And then let's run. Let's see how smooth it is if I use the super smooth to export, and how smooth it is if without super smooth. When I export it, I don't use the super smooth export. So you need to export with the app, and the app will do the smoothing or the stabilization with the gyro info that's been detected. So now you can see with that. So after this, we'll move on to another test. We'll probably put it on the RC car and see how it looks like on the RC. Hopefully I don't crash it before I finish the review. Okay, now I mounted the AKASO Brave 8 on my RC. That's how it looks like. Right, so I'm gonna give it a go, and hopefully I don't crash it again and totally destroy the lens, because I've destroyed the first one and the inside one is now exposed. So hopefully I'll do it right this time. Start recording. Yep, let's start recording and get the stabilization. Hopefully I'll get nice stabilization. And there's a motor here as well. Okay, let's go. Out. Gone down the ditch. Hopefully the stabilization is good when I export it. Oh, I crashed it again. My god, I don't know how many times I'm going to crash this camera. Hopefully it's okay. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is put this in the water. You can see the water is here. Hopefully it is still waterproof, because I totally trashed the front lens, so I'm not sure if it's going to be waterproof or not. And there's going to be a risk of it getting soaked and drenched and water getting in, because I don't have the protector on the front lens. So if this is going to be the last video you see of this, so do remember, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for the next one. And hopefully this AKASO Brave 8 survives. Oops, I need to shut down. Without that front lens. So let's hope it works. And we'll just have to find a place that have some fishes.